Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up your vacancy page, which is the third step in the campaign creation process. As you can see, there are three options to create a vacancy page. So you have either the option to create the vacancy page from within our app in the domain of sympl, or you can bring your own vacancy page. But I will show you how that works in a separate video. So in this video, I will focus on creating the vacancy page within our software. Then you have two different options to do this. You can either do it entirely by yourself, so writing all text from scratch, or you can generate the vacancy page with some help from our AI tool. So I will show you that in this video. You must then describe your company and also give some information on why people should apply for this specific vacancy. So let's say we have a text about Central Perk, and then we give some information on how we would convince people to apply for this job. So let's say flexible hours, great working environment, good pay and tips, and maybe an additional one, free breakfast for early shifts. Okay, then you can also select the tone of voice. Let's say we want to go for excited, and then you click generate and our AI tool will do the rest. So as you can see, several parts of information that you have already given for the campaign comes together in this text. For example, the years of experience is now used, but also the location and, for example, the different arguments that you gave to convince people to apply for the vacancy. So let's say you want to change anything. You can, of course, select the text and our pictures, and you can just change anything you would like to change. If you have another video or a picture to upload, you can do so here, and then you can also select that for the vacancy page. And you also have the opportunity to change the color of the background at the top. So for example, you would like to have the green color, and you may also want to change the text color. However, the contrast is probably the best with white, so I'll stick to that here. But you have some flexibility to change it to match your branding guidelines. As you can see, there are several fields within the vacancy page. At the bottom, we have some general information about your company, but we also provide the fields for what you can offer the candidates. So how would you convince them to apply? So you can see here the flexible working hours that I refer to as a prompt for the AI tool, but also about the team or the pay. Then also what you expect from the candidates. As you can see, it's also based on the information that you give for targeting, and also what the AI tool knows about what a certain job as a barista would look like in general, and also, of course, what you will do. Then at the top right, you can see there's a field for how the application procedure works. And as you can see, people are asked to fill out a short questionnaire, and people will land in that questionnaire as soon as they click on the button over here. So you can see apply now as barista. If you want, you can also change that. So you can say apply soon or anything you like, apply as barista. That's also an option. And you may also want to change the color of the text. So you can do red, and then the button will also change the color. Okay, if you're all set, you can go and hit save, and then you are good to go to the next menu, which is to design and edit the application form. However, if you would like to make some more changes to the generated text, you also have the opportunity to select the AI tool here, and you can provide some feedback. So let's say you want a slightly shorter or more formal text. You can give that as feedback here. And then the text is adopted accordingly. And you can do so for all of the fields. And then in the next video, I will show you how to set up the application form. If you have any further questions, or you would like to have some more information about the vacancy page, you may go to our help center and find the answer to your questions over there.